So today I am unboxing this foil plastic and wax paper dispenser. So you get this clip. This is for nails that you can use to install it on the wall. So you also get this sticker adhesive that you can use to stick it on the wall. So I'm going to show you how we're going to install it. So to install it, on the side over here is the cover, and the cover has magnets on it, so you don't need any screws. All you just do is just pull it out and take your wax paper, just put your wax paper through like that, take your foil paper, pull it through like that, and then take your plastic wrap and put it through like that, part of the wax paper like this. So you can just get the wax paper through that hole like this, and once you get the amount of wax paper you want to use, you just take this and you just move it. So you're just going to take this and just move it, glide it across to cut it. Very, very simple. You can also take the foil paper and pass the foil paper through, and all you just do is just pull it and just cut, and it cuts really, really nicely, really neatly. So I love that you don't need a cutter to cut it. It already comes with cutters, and I love that the size of this is just the standard size of aluminum foil that you have. So this is really good, and it's very, very durable, very, very sturdy. And here's where you can install. You can put your nails through the back to install it.